Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's open the left tray right here. Let's open this slot for your cards by using some thumb tag or special eject tool. Here I have my thumb tag. Let's open this slot right here. Let's remove the whole thing from your device, and here you have to insert the micro SD and the Nano SIM card. So let me insert the micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, now it's time to insert the Nano SIM. So here I have the Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put it right here. Alright, here you can also use the second Nano SIM card, but in my case let me leave it empty. Now let's put the whole thing right here and press it to the end. Alright, press it to the end. Press the power key to switch on the device and wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. Alright, now let's unlock the screen and let me make sure that both cards works properly. So let's open the settings, choose the network and internet. Let me tap SIM cards, of course, it will be better. As you can see, the device is using one SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let me also go back and find storage. Here you can read that the phone is reading the portable storage, so basically everything went well, both cards works properly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.